Frustrated because your Android screen recording just isn't cutting it? Let's fix that right now. First things first, is your storage a digital graveyard? Open your Settings app, tap on Storage, and see how much free space you have. If it's looking grim, delete some old photos, videos, or unused apps to make room. Screen recording needs breathing room. Next up, let's check those permissions. Go back to Settings, then Apps, and find your screen recording app. Tap on Permissions and ensure that microphone and especially display over other apps are enabled. Without these, your recorder can't do its job. Sometimes, a simple restart is the magic wand. Close all your running applications completely, then try launching the screen recorder again. If that doesn't do the trick, try a full device reboot by pressing and holding the power button, then selecting Restart. Is your Android feeling a bit outdated? Software glitches can be a common culprit. Head to Settings, then System or Software Update, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version might just iron out the bugs preventing your screen recording from working. If the issue persists, let's clear the cache for your screen recorder app. Go to Settings, Apps, find your recorder, and tap on Storage and Cache, then select Clear Cache. This can often resolve temporary software conflicts without deleting any personal data. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to smooth, uninterrupted screen recording. Now go forth and create those amazing tutorials and capture those epic gameplay victories.